But welcome to KaylayCreates. That is me. I am Kaylay, and I am creating makeup on my face. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly, and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I tried something a little bit different. I decided to do this nice orangey look for you today, but I filmed it on Twitch. So I'm really hoping that this works. I'm going to try and download it from Twitch, and then I'm going to edit it and upload it here on YouTube, and I'm going to continue trying to do that from now on. So I really hope that you guys like this look, and if you do, just keep following along. So I'm just going to begin with my eyebrows. That's what I always start with, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. I prefer if my eyebrows are a bit darker, but that might not be your style, but it's definitely mine. I am obviously very, very blonde, so I don't have much of eyebrows at all. You can see like a faint outline of them on camera, and that's basically all I have. So I like to fill mine in. I like to fill them in a bit darker, but I just kind of follow where I already have hair because I like the way my eyebrows are shaped. I just don't like that they don't show up, right? You're not super even. It's okay. It's not super even. I'll try and fix them, don't you worry. And then next, I always cut my eyebrows. I know that sounds like a really scary word, but I always make sure to take some Tarte Shape Tape and a little tiny brush, and I like to cut where my eyebrows are supposed to be. So just like this. So they get really nice and straight. And then also if I messed up and I got anything under my eyebrows, it is still there. Or I can cover it up. So those are my eyebrows for today. Next I'm going to be moving on to my eyeshadow, and I always make sure to prime my eyes before I put eyeshadow down, and I've actually gotten a new eyeshadow primer. Mine was going bad. I was using the Inkblot eye primer and I really liked it, but it has officially expired, so I am now trying out the Morphe eyelid primer. I really like Morphe eyeshadows, but I have never tried any of their other makeup. This is the translucent one. I guess I'll try it with a brush. I have this angled brush from Royal and Langnickel, and I'm just gonna squeeze some on top, just a little bit. Oh, it's not clear, so maybe it's not translucent, but I'm just gonna dab this on my eyes and hope that it works this way. I mean, it doesn't look completely translucent. It looks like it has a little bit of a color. I like it so far. We will see how it goes once I actually put the eyeshadow on top of it, because that's always the real test. And today I think I'm going to do something orange. I don't know why, but I'm feeling orange vibes, and I haven't done anything with orange in like a while, so let's hope that I can figure something out. So I'm going to be using my Crown Pro palette. I got this in BoxyCharm a while back. It's really pretty. And I don't really use like these warm colors very often, so hopefully I can get something that I like out of it. But first I'm going to set that eye primer because that's what I always do. I'm going to use this light shade that's all the way up here. I wish these had shade names on it. With my e.l.f. professional brush. Eyeshadow brush, so it's just kind of like this. I didn't realize that it was a shimmer shade when I started putting it on, but it's fine. And then I'm going to be moving on to my crease, and I like to use the IT Cosmetics brush from Ulta. I'm going to go in with, I guess, maybe a little bit of this lighter brown shade right here first, and tap some off, and just start placing that in my crease. Okay, next I'm going to be starting to make this look a little bit more orange. So I'm going to go in with this burnt orange shade that's right here. It's matte, so I can continue putting this into my crease. And then I'm just going to darken that outer corner. I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown shade right there. With that same brush, just dabbing that right on the outer third of my eye, because I like it when the outer part is a bit darker. I just feel like it flatters my eye a bit more. But next I'm actually going to finally be going in with that orange shade. I'm going to be going in with this one right here because it's just really, really pretty. And I'm going to be going in with my finger because I feel like shimmer shades have the best payoff with your finger, because you're not losing any of that pigment into a brush. And then I'm just gonna dab some of this shade right here right into the middle, because I feel like it gives it that color pop. All right, and then before I do my eyeliner, I need to clean up under my eyes because I went a little bit crazy blending below, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. It's fine. So I'm gonna be going in with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water and a little Q-tip. But next I'm going to do some eyeliner, and I really like the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner. They're huge wings, but it's fine. We'll go with it. I'm going to be going in with my Cover FX blurring primer. Next, I'm going to be going in with foundation, and I've been using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation. This is in the shade L40 Classic Ivory. So I like to use, this is the Juno sponge. It's very dirty. If anyone has any idea how to clean it, or if I just need to buy a new one, let me know. So that is it for my foundation. Next I'm going to go in with concealer. So I also have a new concealer, and this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I've heard great things about this, and this is in the shade Fair 06. I'm afraid that it's going to be too light for me because that looks really light. Oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's pretty light right there. That's pretty fair. So I'm just gonna put a little bit and blend it out because that's so light. Even though I went in with like a lighter hand, I feel like it's covering really well. I really like it. I feel like it looks very flawless. Wow. Wow. But then I'm gonna go in and set everything. I use the RCMA No Color Powder, and then I go in with an Aesthetica P12 brush, and I pat that powder in all over my face. Next, I'm going to contour just a little bit. I don't even know if it's considered contouring or just bronzing because I don't do a whole lot. And I go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I think this is actually the light one. And I actually go in with a blush brush, or a foundation brush. And this is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush. I don't know, I just like the way it blends it out. I just go in, and I place it right where like the bottom of my cheekbone is. It's not completely in the hollows of my cheeks. I want it to be a tiny bit higher than that. So then it kind of makes that more sunken look in your face. You see how it looks more sunken? Makes my cheekbones that are already pretty pronounced, makes them even more chiseled. I'm gonna be going in with this little Luxie brush. This is the mini round brush, it's 141. I go in with my bronzer and I just sweep this along the sides of my nose because I don't feel like I want to make my nose smaller or anything like that. But when everything else is like chiseled, I feel like my nose kind of disappears and I don't want my nose to disappear. So next is my very favorite part, highlighting. So I go in with my Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and I have loved this thing a whole lot. If you can tell, I've hit pan right in the middle, which makes me really sad, but it's totally fine. And then I go in with this Crown Pro Cosmetics brush, and I've used this brush so much that it's actually rubbed off what it is. But it's this little like flat top one, and I dab into it, and I highlight those cheekbones. And I just dab a little bit along the center of my nose as well, on my Cupid's bow, and then a little bit on like my temple area. I guess kind of higher than my temples. I also use this for highlighting my brow bone, and I'm gonna go in with this random little flat brush that I have, and I just go in and run it right below my eyebrow, but don't really let it touch where I have that eyeshadow because I want it to be highlighted, but I don't want to mess up that blend that I already have up there. I am gonna go in underneath my eyes to finish my eye look. So I'm gonna go in, I have like no clean brushes left. So I'm actually gonna be going in with that same brush that I contoured my nose with. And I'm gonna grab that eyeshadow again. I've been using the Crown Pro palette. This is just a warm palette. I don't know which one it is because it has no writing on it. And I'm gonna go in with that burnt orange shade again that I have in my crease. I'm gonna drag this along my lower lash line. And I feel like this just, ooh, sorry, I just burped. I just feel like this brings the whole look together. So I am so close to being done, so close. Next I'm gonna just set my face because I like to set my face before I put on mascara or lips, because or else I feel like it kind of melts those away. So I'm using the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I'm gonna shake it on up first and spray. So for my eyelashes today, I'm gonna be using my favorite mascara, the Wander Beauty Unlashed mascara. This is the volume and curl one, and I am obsessed with this stuff. Again, I'm a broke girl, so I only have the one that BoxyCharm sent me a long time ago, and it's almost gone, and I'm trying so hard to like use up what's left because this is my favorite mascara that I've ever tried. Next I'm gonna go in for my lips. And I'm gonna be going in with this brown lipstick. So this is the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. And yeah, I'm just gonna putting this on my lips. So I think that is everything for today. I think I really like the way this turned out. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it turned out really well. And I hope to see you guys again next time.